And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we talked about how Nebraskans might consider buying meat directly from a producer or butcher shop when stocking up during the pandemic.
Now we are putting some ground beef to good use in a recipe that falls under the category of comfort food. Leslie Boswell joins us virtually again with more.
Well, this is a very popular segment on Pure Nebraska, our cooking segment with our CommonGround volunteers. Joining me again is Leslie Boswell. And Leslie, you have a variation on the TatorTot casserole.
I do. This is called a Big Mac TatorTot casserole. This is 2 all-beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, and pickled onion with the tater tots instead of the bun. First of all, what I've done already is I've browned hamburger, and it is ready to be mixed up with everything else that goes in here. Now we've got some salt and pepper and some garlic powder. It calls for onion, but I don't go through enough of that to keep it fresh, so I use a lot of onion flakes. So I've got onion flakes in here and onion powder. I have mayonnaise and Thousand Island dressing. There's the special sauce. And all of this gets mixed in with this hamburger, diced dill pickles. That's what gives it a little bit of zing.
Okay.
So you mix up all of this, you put it in a casserole dish, and since I'm splitting this in half, I'm using an 8x8 here. It works great if you want to cut it in half and just use a smaller pan instead of the full recipe and a 9x13. This works out well. I also sprayed it very lightly with some cooking spray so the casserole doesn't stick too bad.
Okay.
Now, I mixed some cheddar cheese and some Velveeta cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. It calls for cheddar. Sprinkle that on top here. You've got your tater tots. That goes in the oven for about 45 minutes until the tater tots are done and everything is heated through. Then, once that is done, you top it off with some lettuce. Then you can drizzle on top Thousand Island dressing.
That looks great. That is going to be on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Again, the recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. And again, Leslie, thank you for being here.
That looks amazing, and I have posted that on the Pure Nebraska